Hello and welcome back to Cycle Fab. I'm Larry. Today I want to show you a neat little hack that I learned about handlebars, or at least repurposing handlebars that you find on eBay to fit whatever bike you're building. Now, I have a Suzuki GS550 that I'm building into a street tracker. These are the original bars that came on the GS, and these are not street tracker bars by no means. So we're getting rid of these. Now, I went looking for handlebars, and I'm a big fan of putting dirt bike handlebars on street bikes, hence, street tracker. So I remember back when I was younger in Easton and also Renthal had some really cool fat bars, okay, where they were 1.125" and tapered out to 7/8, and they were really strong, good looking bars. And the fact that they tapered from 7/8 to a larger diameter 1.125", it just kind of looks better, really. If you just take a regular 7/8 inch bar like these, now these are off of Amazon, they're Chinese. There's nothing wrong with them, they're fine. The walls are a little thick on them. These are like 8mm thick walls, but that's fine, they're strong. The only problem is they look weak. They don't taper to a large 1.125" down here at the bottom. They didn't cost very much, and I'm sure I'll be able to use them on a future project. So I decided to set these off to the side and look for something different. Now, you heard me mention Easton and Renthal earlier. Well, new Renthals or Easton are about $100, okay? Now, I have found them cheaper than that, around 85, 90, something like that, but still, I don't want to spend that much money on handlebars for a 1981 motorcycle that I'm building into a street tracker. That just kind of refuse to do it. Kind of goes against the whole purpose of saving money and building your own bike. So I looked around on eBay and I found a set of old Eastons, 1.125". I picked these up for $16, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with them other than cosmetically. They're a little scratched up. The anodizing is worn off or has been sanded off. There's really no dings in them. They're not bent abnormally. They have a few scratches, but that's it. So what I propose is to take these that I bought for $16 and make them look new again. So come along with me and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Now, before I get started with this, I want to give you all a close-up of what this bar looks like. It has seen better days, that's for sure. Like I said, little dings on it, but not that bad. See them right there. Really, the only thing that's wrong with these is the iodize is worn off of it, or like I said, has been sanded off. Now, that doesn't compromise the stability or the strength of the bar at all. They just look bad. So what I'm going to do is dress them up, and I want to show you how. Okay, the first thing I'll be using is just a 2-inch abrasion wheel. This is a 3M product. Everybody's seen these before. The Scotch-Brite, okay? And it's on a pneumatic air grinder. The other one is also a 3M product. Again, red, which is medium. The reason why I use this, I'll come back with this after I use this. And what I do with this one is run it linear down the whole length of the handlebars. And what that does is it gets all the lines nice and straight. This works in a swirl motion, and it can leave little swirls in the substructure. And I don't want that bleeding through after I powder coat it. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, there you go. Now off to the bead blaster. Okay, this came out great, man. I don't know if you can pick it up very well in the camera, but yeah, I'm very satisfied with this. Pretty much all the dings and nicks came out of it. Yeah, except for down here on the right grip. And I don't know what that's from, but it's gonna be covered by the grip anyway, so really what does it matter? I mean, I paid $16 for these. Retail, they're 100, 120, but you can find them every once in a while, 87 bucks. You really cannot beat that. Anyway, I want to go ahead and clean these down with acetone and powder coat them. Let's go do that. If you like the video, then please hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that bell down there. That way you'll be notified next time I have a new video out. I love this Eastwood. I really love my new Eastwood gun. The dual voltage works awesome, especially after I made the modifications to it. If you're wondering about that, just click up here over in the corner and you can be linked to another one of my videos of the mods that I did to it and the new type of diffuser that I designed. It's well worth it. This came out fantastic. I cannot stress enough what little amount of powder it took to do this versus me not doing the mods to the gun. I'm only having to run 5 PSI right now and it cleans just perfect. Goes right on, hardly any waste. Really, check out that video. Now let's go to the oven. If any of you have any questions about the oven that I built, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Okay, this came out great. You know, for a $16 investment and about 2 hours of labor, brand new handlebars. I mean, you spend $100, $120 on these, full retail of course, or even if you find them on sale for 80, 85 bucks, really? I mean, $16. I found them as low as 13, as you can see here. Typically, they're around $50, $40, somewhere around in there, but I mean, come on. $16, a little bit of elbow grease, new handlebars. I want to give you guys a close-up of this so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, these guys really came out nice. If anybody didn't tell you any different, these look like new handlebars. Other than they don't have the name of the company on there that made them. But I don't have any problem with that. None whatsoever. I mean, 16 bucks for these things. An hour and a half of work. That's it. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys next week. Hey, you guys still there? Say, if you're still there, I've got something kind of exciting to tell you. At least it's exciting for me. What the deal is I'll be changing this channel up a little bit. I'm going to be making 2 videos a week now. Now, when I say videos, one of them is going to be in the short form. In other words, it's just going to be like a minute, okay? And that's going to be coming out every Wednesday. So if you're one of my subscribers and you always watch my videos with the notification bell, then you will be notified, and I really would appreciate it if you'd watch. Now, I know that a lot of you do come back and watch my channel, and I'm very happy for that, and I welcome you back, open armed. So please, come on back and watch some more. That's why I'm giving you guys some extra content. Apparently I have something to say and y'all like listening to it. So I really look forward to you guys joining me during the middle of the week. And thank you so much, really, from the bottom of my heart, for subscribing to my channel and watching. And I really hope that you got something out of this video. Really, I love saving money, especially on motorcycle parts. So you guys keep watching. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. And I will continue to bring you more and more good content. Thank you. See you guys next week. Bye.